Ceiling speakers provide space-saving, immersive sound for home theaters, offices, or multi-room audio, blending seamlessly with any DCOR.my. Today's video is about top 5 best ceiling speakers review that are available in the market. If you want to know price, and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Herdio Bluetooth in wall and ceiling speakers. This Bluetooth ceiling speaker system is a smart all-in-one solution for clean, room-filling audio without bulky equipment. The independent 4-channel in-wall amplifier delivers true stereo separation and streams wirelessly from phones, tablets, and PCs with stable connectivity. Setup is refreshingly simple thanks to the flush mount design, making it ideal for both new installations and retrofits in homes or offices. Sound quality is impressive for an in-ceiling system. The 6.5-inch speakers provide wide dispersion, while the 1-inch silk dome tweeters add crisp highs and clear vocals, creating balanced audio for music, movies, or paging. The built-in mic input is a useful bonus for announcements or intercom use, and the USB/AUX inputs add flexible wired playback options. The USB port doubling as a charging outlet is a thoughtful touch. Build quality feels solid, and the included wiring kit plus wall plate receiver keeps installation tidy and organized. With 4 speakers in the box and a 1-year warranty, this package offers strong value for multi-room audio, kitchens, offices, or even bathrooms where discreet, reliable sound is needed. Now our second product is Lythe Audio Bluetooth Ceiling Speakers. This all-in-one Bluetooth ceiling speaker system is a compact yet capable audio solution, especially suited for smaller spaces. The master speaker's built-in 25W RMS Class D amplifier eliminates the need for external hardware, while Bluetooth 5.0 delivers a stable wireless connection with an impressive 30-meter range. Pairing is quick, and once connected, streaming from phones or tablets is seamless. The 4-inch form factor makes it ideal for bathrooms, bedrooms, hotel rooms, and holiday lodges where space and discreet installation matter. Despite the small size, the combination of a PP woofer and 0.75-inch silk tweeter produces clear vocals, crisp highs, and surprisingly balanced mids for background music and podcasts. It's not designed for deep bass, but it performs well within its intended use. A standout feature is the volume capping switch, which limits output by 50, perfect for shared buildings, rentals, or nighttime listening. The IP44 water-resistant rating adds peace of mind for humid environments, provided it's not placed directly above showers or baths. Installation is straightforward, and the clean ceiling finish keeps rooms looking uncluttered. Overall, it's a practical, space-saving audio upgrade with reliable performance for everyday listening. Our third product is Acoustic Ceiling Home Theater Speaker System. The Acoustic Audio CSIC83 in-ceiling speakers are a strong choice for anyone building a clean, high-powered whole home or theater audio system. Their flush mount design blends seamlessly into ceilings, while the paintable grills make it easy to match any decor. Installation is straightforward thanks to the pressure lock mounting system and included cutout templates, making them suitable for both new builds and retrofits. Sound performance is where these speakers stand out. The 8-inch polycone woofer delivers solid low-end presence, the Polymica mid-range keeps vocals clear, and the 13mm soft dome tweeter adds crisp highs. The true 3-way crossover design provides better separation and fidelity than typical 2-way ceiling speakers, with a wide 40 Hz, 20 kHz response and high 95 dB sensitivity, meaning they play loud without demanding excessive power. As passive speakers, they require a proper home audio receiver or amplifier, but this also gives you flexibility to scale a full surround or multi-room setup. With 5 speakers included, durable ABS construction, and reliable performance for home theaters, retail spaces, or distributed audio, this package offers excellent value for a powerful, discreet ceiling system. Now number 4, Vever Ceiling In-Wall Speakers System. These 8-inch in-ceiling speakers deliver an impressively immersive listening experience for both music and movies. With a peak power rating of 4x100W and an 8 ohms impedance, they handle strong output while maintaining stable, efficient performance when paired with a suitable amplifier. The 68 Hz, 20 kHz frequency range provides punchy bass, clear mids, and crisp highs, making them well balanced for home audio and theater setups. The acoustic design is thoughtfully engineered. The combination of an 8-inch woofer and 1-inch tweeter produces detailed, room-filling sound, while the rubber ceiling strip and solid ABS housing help reduce audio leakage for cleaner playback. This results in more focused sound and better overall fidelity compared to basic ceiling speakers. A practical highlight is the detachable, paintable grille, allowing the speakers to blend seamlessly with any decor. The compact embedded design keeps the ceiling looking clean and uncluttered. Installation is straightforward: cut the recommended hole size, connect to your receiver, and secure using the mounting buckles. While cables and an amp are not included, the system is easy to expand for larger rooms. Overall, these speakers offer strong power, clean aesthetics, and reliable performance for multi-room audio. And our last choice is Jidunung Soundspeaker Wall Ceiling Mounts. This universal speaker mount is a versatile and reliable solution for mounting small satellite speakers in any space. With support for 1/4" 24mm and 5mm threads, and compatibility with keyhole or threaded holes, it works seamlessly with brands like Samsung, Bose, JBL, Klipsch, Sony, and Roku. Its 14 pounds (6.3 kilograms) load capacity is slightly higher than standard mounts, ensuring secure, wobble-free placement for home theaters, offices, or game rooms. The mount's 360 degrees rotation and 180 degrees horizontal swivel allow precise positioning, letting you direct sound perfectly toward your listening area for an immersive audio experience. Constructed from corrosion-resistant aluminum alloy with stainless steel screws, it's durable, rust-proof, and built to last longer than typical plastic mounts. Installation is beginner-friendly and takes just 10 minutes with included hardware, adapters, and cable ties for neat wire management. Compatible with drywall, concrete, or wood studs, its slim design blends effortlessly with most setups. Backed by thoughtful packaging, responsive support, and a 2-year warranty, this mount combines convenience, flexibility, and peace of mind for any speaker setup. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.